In the previous video, it was about buying copper. I just bought some copper, where I got it, how it was delivered, and how much it cost. Now, the other two materials that I use a great deal of is RG45, which is a gas welding rod, and I'll be showing you how I use that. And then the brazing rod. There'll be some web pages that you can bring up, and I'll give you kind of a clue into those. This is RG45, a mild steel rod with a thin, and I stress thin, copper covering. It comes in a variety of diameters. Now this is just a brief sampling of the ways that I use RG45. For me, the best place to buy rod is from weldingsupply.com. If you go to their site, look on the left-hand column. I've circled where to click for a link to carbon steel rod. Scroll down to the diameter that you want. Welding Supply is the only place I've found that offers 5/32 and 3/16 inch rod. The framework for this maple leaf spray is 3/16 inch. I need the heavier rod to support the weight of all the leaves. This tube here is flux covered brazing rod, and it comes in different diameters. For brazing rod, click on the low fuming bronze. Scroll down to what you want. There is flux coated bronze rod and bare rod. Looking through these different rods will give you a reference of price and availability. And as always, it pays to shop around.